Hello students, how are you? Now we are taking quadratic equation chapter 4. Now today we will study nature of roots. Without solving the quadratic equation up to last, we can find whether the roots are equal, distinct and maybe no real roots. So first of all, you find out the relation between A, B, C. Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hear this. So this is the quadratic equation. So you know the relation between A, B, C, that is b square minus 4ac. You find out this value of this. And this name also is given, that is D. D, you can see D is called discriminant. D is called discriminant. So, if D is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Hear this. Another, if D equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if D less than 0, then what do you say? No real roots are there. No real roots. Is clear? So in how many cases roots are real? Roots are real. Roots are real if D greater than 0, then roots are real. If D equal to 0, roots are real. If D less than 0, then roots are not real, no real roots. Understand? So without solving, you find out this D, that is discriminant. With the help of discriminant, you can say the roots will equal, roots will distinct, and roots will not real or not. So we are starting first question. First question, you see in question number 1, first part you see is saying find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, then you find them. So what equation is given? You see just simple first equation, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So what you will do? First you compare with standard equation, general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. So you find out d, that is b square minus 4ac. So what you will say? B square minus 3 square minus 4a into c 5. Clear this? So minus 3 square plus 3 square 9, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40. So 9 minus 40, it is minus 31. So it is minus 31. So what you see, it is less than 0. So you see here as D less than 0. So therefore equation has no real roots. And it was given, if the roots are real, if roots exist real, then you will find out. Clear this? But here equation has no real roots, then here question is over. Understand? No need to find out. Clear this? And we can find out, but in 11th class. Clear this? If negative, then here that complex numbers are there. With the help of iota we can find out. But here in 10th class up to this, if negative, D negative, less than 0, no real roots. In your 10th class syllabus, only you can find out the real roots. So one more part we are taking. You see, third part. You see, third part equation. You read here. Third part equation. You read. What is given in third part also? Find the nature of roots. If the roots exist real, then find out this. So 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So you compare with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Clear this? So comparing a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 3. So now find out d. What is d? Discriminant. B square minus 4ac, that value is called discriminant. So b square minus 6 square minus 4, a is 2, c is 3. So minus 6 square 36, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24, that is 12. And you see d is 12. So what do you say? As d greater than 0, so therefore equation as roots real and distinct, because you know if d greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. So now how will you find out? Because it is given. First you find nature of roots. If roots exist, then you have to find out. So therefore how will you find out roots? X is equal to minus b plus minus. Either you can write b square minus 4ac, or you can write d also. Minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus b. What is b here? Minus 6 plus minus root d. D is 12 upon 2a. A is 2a. So minus minus plus 6 plus minus 12 upon 2 to the 4. So first you make the factor of this 12. 12 you can say 12 means it is 4 3s are 12 and 2 outside here you can see square root of 4 2. So you can write 12 2 root 3 upon 4. So what will you say? You can take 2 common, that is 3 plus under root 3 by 4. This is cancelled. So now what is next step? What you will do? You will take two values, one for positive, one for negative. 3 plus root 3 by 2. Another is 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the, you can say, answer. 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So second part is left. You will try yourself. Now one more question. Second question also we are taking. You see second question. What is given in this? In second question is given, find the value of k if the equation has equal roots. So you see this question number 2, first part. What is saying? Equation is given 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. This equation is given. So he is saying equation is given, roots are equal or given, then you have to find out the value of k. So first you compare with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So there, what is a? A is 2, b is k, c is 3. So what do you say? As roots are equal, so therefore b equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. So d means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b value is k square minus 4ac 2 into 3 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 ja 24 equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. So both side and you remove square, square root will come, you know very well. So k is equal to plus minus 24 means 4 6 ja. So k is equal to plus minus, and you see 4 square root is 2. So this is k value is plus minus 2 root 6. This is the value of k. For this value of k, equation has equal roots. I think it is clear. Where he is asking, find the value of k if the equation has equal roots. So its second part also is very much important. You see second part. What is second part? You see, in this equation, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Same condition, find the value of k if the equation has equal roots. So what you will do first, don't say is 2. First you have to simplify, product kx into x, kx square minus 2kx, kx into 6. Not then it is only multiply this, kx into x, kx square, kx into minus 2kx, it is 6 separate. Understand? Now we compare with standard form, ax square plus bx plus equal to 0. So now what is a? Therefore a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. So as equation has equal roots, so therefore d equal to 0. D equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square minus 2k square 4a into c. So it is plus 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now 4k common, k minus 6. You can see 4k common, k minus 6 equal to 0. So product of these two, you can say either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6, because you know, don't say 0 upon 4k is equal to 0, because in case here you see it is power 2, then 2 value of k will come. So k is equal to 0 by 4. So what will say 0, and here k is equal to 6. So my dear students, 2 values are there. Now if I will take k equal to 0, I will put here 0 into something 0. So it means it is complete first term is 0. So it is a linear, you know, it is also 0. It is not the any equation. So it is not the correct equation if you will take k equal to 0 in this. So what you say, it is rejected. Because what is the reason? Because it does not satisfy the condition. It does not satisfy the condition, so that is rejected. So you can say, so value of k is equal to 6 is the answer only. Don't say then 2 answers are there. You will take 2 answers, then half marks will cut in exam. So my dear students, in this way you can revise so many parts, so many types. You can extra books from these extra books. So do practice today. If any problem, then ask. Yes, my dear students, one thing more. important things for board exam. What is that? If in the question you see the important point, you will say find the value of k. Find the value of k if the quadratic equation kx square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 has real roots. So this type is also important for exam. What is that? Because he is asking find the value of k if the quadratic equation kx square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 has real roots. He is not saying real and distinct. He is not saying real and equal. It is for one thing you see. It is for real and distinct. It is for real and equal. It is no real roots. So my dear students, now for real roots, for real, this is also real, this is also real, then combined condition you write. For real, you will write always like this. So for real, it is combined formula. What you will take in exam, if you say find the value of k if equation has real roots. So you will say for real roots d greater than equal to 0 you will write in the board exam. So first you compare with standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 4. So for real roots, this is the main formula. For real roots, don't do like this. We have to write this formula, otherwise marks will deduct. So for real roots, d greater than equal to 0. Understand? So d means b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. So b square, b value is minus 5 square, minus 4, a is k and c is 4. So greater than equal to 0, minus square plus 5 square 25, and then what you say 4 4s are 16k greater than equal to 0. 25 greater than equal to 0, you shift that side, it is plus 16k or 25k, 16 downside greater than equal to k. So my dear students, if I write k here, 25 6 here, what you write? You will write greater than equal to 0. You think over it. If I am writing 7 greater than 2, if I am writing 2 here, 7 here, 7 greater than 2, it means 2 is less than 6. When you shift both left and right side, sign will change. If 7 greater than 2, it means 2 less than 7. So same here. If it is greater than equal to k, then k is less than equal to 25 by 16. This is the value of k for which the given equation has real roots. So this question is extra and it is important for exam. So you learn this step also. Clear this. If you are asking for real roots, then only this condition you will write. Then you will get the value. And the one thing more you learn, if you shift this and this side, here symbol will change. So in this way you will get the answer. Understand? So more practice you will do from extra books. Thank you. Have a good day.